Previous videos. Here he comes. He's moving too, so let's see if we can get on him. Birds coming in. Got crows up there at him. Let's put a little exposure compensation on it. Let's get up. Where's the crow at? That look, the crow. Guys, hear that? The crow's all over him, man. Alright folks, we got a baby hawk in the nest, and I seen this pair last year. They used the same nest, so they're back again this year, and they have another baby in the nest. So we're going to try to catch some video and photographs today of the two hawks coming in, and they should be coming in feeding pretty soon. The sun's getting up, so the lighting's good. I've got some real nice early morning lighting in the woods here. Just wait. He's all in here today. He just landed. He landed. He had a squirrel. There he is right there. Oh yeah. Okay, she's tucked up in there, so it's the wait and hurry up and wait game. So we're gonna see, you know, if she shows herself, but man, this is gonna be exciting. Alright guys, I'm watching this tree. I got the hawk behind me, so it just come in. But I've got two woodpeckers here, and I seen them earlier this year really pecking on this tree and drilling a hole. And I think that one of the birds just went in the hole. I think that I may have found a woodpecker's nest. Just a little update. The hawk is still in the tree. It's still tucked in behind some pine needles from this angle that I'm shooting from. So I got to make a decision here. Stay here and wait on the hawks, or go chase the woodpecker. To get to the we got to go through that to get to the woodpeckers. Stay tuned. Woodpecker it is. God, it's a jungle in here. Stay tuned. Welcome to the jungle. I'm gonna see if I can zoom up and see if they're in it. Give me just a second. I got a nest. I got a nest. I have found a woodpecker's nest. I seen them when I was watching the hawks back about 3 weeks ago. She was drilling on the tree. Well, she has made her nest here, and so we're going to keep this in mind and keep coming back. But you guys check this footage out. She's in the nest right now, so check this footage out. Tell me what you think in the comments below. This is going to be exciting. We're going to get to see some baby woodpeckers this year. Stay tuned.